All right, these are just my waffle cones. Now I'm gonna grab some mini marshmallows and we are just gonna put a couple in each of these cones, just like this. Not a lot. Ooh, these are gonna be so good. They're just like a fun little summer treat. So easy, just a few ingredients, and you just throw them in your waffle cones and you have the most delicious dessert. Okay, now that we have a little layer of mini marshmallows, I'm gonna grab some milk chocolate chips. And we are gonna put milk chocolate chips in these three right here. Just slowly put them in there, just like that. Beautiful. And this is all in my oven rack. I'm using my oven rack for support for my waffle cones to keep them sturdy and straight up. So I did about a tablespoon of chocolate chips inside my waffle cones. And now for these ones, I'm gonna do something extra special. I have some mini Reese's for our peanut butter lovers. And we're just gonna do about a tablespoon of these Reese's right in there, just like this. And these are gonna melt and be a peanut butter chocolate delicious. It's kind of like my take on s'mores, but so much cleaner because it's all in your waffle cone.
Wow, so the left is Reese's and then the right is chocolate chips.
Yeah, so it's the reverse for me, but yes.
That's so cool.
Yeah, okay. Now in order to close these up, I'm gonna do another layer of marshmallows and then they're ready for the oven.
Wow, so fast.
Yeah. So fast, so easy, and so delicious. And the best part is you won't have a cleanup because we're doing it all with our oven rack. And I like to do the marshmallows first so it creates kind of like a border for our chocolate chips so that chocolate doesn't melt down past the waffle cone.
Oh, that's so smart.
All right, last one. Beautiful. Okay, these are ready for the oven. Let's take these to the oven. My oven is set to 350. And these are gonna go right here. Carefully place them in, just like this. And they're gonna cook for only 5 minutes. Yay, these are done. Woo. Look how good they look. Oh my goodness. All right, now to make these extra special, I'm gonna top them with ice cream. You could totally eat them as is, but these are ice cream cones. So I would be in trouble if I didn't top them with some ice cream. I'm just using vanilla, but you could do like Rocky Road, or I think they even have s'mores ice cream nowadays, and that would be delicious. Okay, grab your scoop, grab your cone, and right on top. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna dive into this one. I wanna see and show you guys that inside, so let's go ahead and crack it open. Oh my goodness. Look how delicious that looks. I think that's a Reese's one. I need to try that right now.
Is it good?
It's Reese's and it's delicious.
Oh, I want to see the inside of this.
Look, and you can even just do this and have a little baby ice cream cone.
Oh, yeah. That looks good.